Assam University Dipu campus ningkan great drop amahang ke thekarani katalon. Karbi ronga saratu mapan hamren DLSA pen basic procedure of law saputhak chithan chimum ajai mek kedeng. Karbi Anglong Forest along likidoan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council akipen lak isi thengpi aklimso ke ponjia phan ke pangcheng.
Jinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The Niswar Theron, Headmaster of Jinthong Ronghang High School.
Kardom, Pinyada Abirta Angton Bench Thanam Sinan. Kidamtang Jakong Nipai Krenar Kebarni, Karbi Anglong along Kido, Assam University Dipu campus, Ningkan Cricket Home, Mahangke Thekarani, Nang Choksi, Misenpen, Ketalon Pon. Bangso Ajay Mek Adap or Pai Kri Sialong Pen, Pangcheng Ponsi, Aliralon Chipipon, Maelong Aluhiaman Pen, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Raju Tiso, Padmashri Dhaneshwar Ingti, Chairman KLADB Longsing Teron Lapen, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MEC Kidoanatum Chetongdun. Mai Chengchia Prang, AUDC Long Akimi Open Stage Auditorium Lapen, Khorsing Terang, 100 bedded boys hostel Sita, Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen, Kachetongdun, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Pen, Ingpupon. Bangso Ajay Megalong Professor Shivasis Bishwas, Pro Vice Chancellor AUDC Pen, Mai Kangpolam The, Thanpajer Mipon. Lapen Professor Rajiv Mohan Pan, Vice Chancellor AUS Silchar Pen, Mahang Kithek Arani Alamthe, Thanpajer Mipon. Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen Kachetongdun, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Pen, Mai Long Kaningje Pon Atenki, Karbi Anglong Arlo, Nongnam Kachetangklong Akang Tuyang Deng, Lokechar Ledim Pulote, AUDC Hello. Lapen Karbi Anglong Arlo ke Nonamat La Elong Ansi, Do Chodlang. La Silabangso University Prabjin Pen, Central University, full-fledged Kipamanji Aphan, Chichak Tekang. Lapen Assam University Dipu campus along Lake Kidamtang Penaan Apor Pen, Chiri Pharokli, Ansi Dochot, Lasi Non Pen, Assam University Dipu campus Aphan, Kadokawe, Chiri Surike Thomalong Lake, Thikpon Popusi, Mailong, Chichak Tekang.
The program was one very major step. Our boys and girls have been suffering tremendously. Poor boys and girls coming from the districts of Karbi Anglong. Difu is rich. Difu is basically rich. But those poor boys and girls, they have to stay in paying guests, sometimes as relatives in somebody's house. So for them, for the first time, we have been able to produce a hostel. And the other one, the girls' hostel, is going to start now. So two hostels would give some support. It is not enough, but it is going to give some support. And apart from that, I may extend something that two departments, you know the Department of Life Science, you must have seen the big Department of Life Science and Physics. The second story is being built. Vertical extension, one floor extra is being built. Now, two departments, anthropology and geography, they are actually just giving some rooms in the physics department and life science, like refugee. So once that upper floor is made, they would shift there. They would have their own space. Apart from that, our Vice Chancellor is very dynamic. He has said for the first time I have heard a Vice Chancellor say that fund is no problem. I will go to NEC, I will go to other organizations. They will fund. We just have to have the projects ready. So the project is already ready. 8 academic departments, the building plan is done by CPWD. But the final one, electrification and furniture, they are just putting this last, polishing. Then the estimate would be ready. Then we can move to NEC, we can move to UGC. So it is going to happen very soon.
News Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi customary law aron non puta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kangpu pedada jok ningduk lo pusi KRAA kongchunbang Bronson Teron pen kidamtang jakong ni phai Krinar Kebarni Hamren Gov Higher Secondary along Arona Tanga Puthak Mai Kedeng Pon along Ningjepon. Assam Legal Service Authority aro West Karbi Anglong Hamren along Kedo District Legal Service Authority pen Patirpi Ponsi Kedamtang Jakong Niphai Krinar Kebarni Hamren Gov Higher Secondary along West Karbi Anglong Karbi Rong Asaramai Convener Bronson Teron pen DLSA pen Akep Hamai along Basic Procedure of Laws Aputhak Workshop Kibi along Abang Putin Longri Long Padalong Lamki Kepho Hori Homan Kanghu Kanghi Koni Kanti Kepho Puthak Rong Asaratum Kopi Kosonsi Ingsaidun Nangji Ma Puthak Lamthe Chipachoy Rinti KRAA CEC Amaipu Dhorom Singh Teron Lapen KRAA Kongchunbang Ritesh Hanse pen Kichenglok Hamren MEC Constituency pen Socheng MEC Constituency Kaparlo Rong Asar Theatum Ongdung pen Chetongdunsi DLSA pen Resource Person Additional PP Hamret Sonjoy Das pen Akenang Sot Kangsai Aron Aputhak Chinki Chethan Pon
আমি কভাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ বেছিক প্ৰচিডিউৰ হ'বলৈ কিন্তু আমাৰ গাঁওবুঢ়াখিনি যিখিনি আহিছে তেওঁলোকক আমি থেংক ইউ দিছোঁ তেওঁলোকে আমাৰ পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰিছে আমাৰ এইখনত ছাকচেছ হৈছে গোটেইখিনি তেওঁলোকে ভালকৈ আমি ডিছকাশ্যন হৈছে আমাৰ মাজত আৰু সেইখিনি
What is their reaction from the Gaonpura side?
Actually, they all are very cordially and we discuss our thoughts, we shared our thoughts and everything is very well.
Regarding Karbi customary law and
regarding the basic procedure. Regarding basic procedure of law. The seminar is mainly on basic procedure.
Halapu Karbi Rong Asaramai Klembang Photum Karbi Autonomous Council pen Karbi Customary Aputhak RD ki pipedat Aputhak Ningduk Chepaklang Karbi Customary Law Aputhak Klar Dak pen Kachathandun Thekthedat ke Karbi Customary Law alo Tokjir pen non puta Kepeklang Kabidat Ajoglo puta Lamthei Jai Puthot KRAA pen Kachuning Rithu ke Tongsekot pen Labang Swalo Kepaklang Dap Prangji Aphan Karbi Autonomous Council Kachariatum RD Nang Chipi Dun Ji Aphan Chuning Ri
Kardom ne mengaram semakulo asipini la Liquor Service Authority workshop along alangli chodori akai pen nang phasi itum ongdong arong sar sumbanglo apen alangli tum ke thana ting pen isi ne tum da arjudun padulo lamse garudun lapen adjustment ke litum customer lo putak apen litum la eri Jepang don putak litum kurisi uni po alam tanai tum paklang lo apen alang litum lo so putak panang ana reply nang pisita litum pen kajitam tedo la sila so putak litum kadar wet for property ken kapichun dia pan akatura doji
Halapu Hamren Bar Association Kongchunban Chinthong Hanse Hamren Judicial Court pen Munsir Kam Judicial Magistrate First Class Dipjyoti Hajarika West Karbi Anglong District Legal Service Authority Kongchunbang Nayan Jyoti Chaudhary Hamren Police Station Second OC Dibya Jyoti Bora Atum Chetongdunsi RD Dojot Maying Ni Pon
Marilo nate di judicial Aputhak ni tumpan nang than kang lo sinang than pen ni tum kita mi ko son sirong group customary lo ka chikhang nang ima labang ni tum non anta ni tum mari ding long lena kedam tang 2021 aning kan July ciklu lang litum jitu gazette ke pas tang posita ni tum han anta ni tum han labang so ni tum han tv la ni tum rong group ke practice ye phan athi litum karbia khei bang ke kilu ke lom na pen ke thek thik ri ya su pinak lang no mat ke judicial arona bang ke litum lan ka je song du thek la poson kali lang la si rong group ke paklar je phan rong group pe me je phan tu te la customary lo bang litum ke nang sot lang athi litum ke pa ki ko ba khei je customary lo order bang litum rong tin rong sar phan nang ke pise rak ji la pen la bang su poson sot aron ma la bang so customary lo se me basic council pen litum phan nang pise rak ji
Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong Live
Chinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The Niswar Theron, Headmaster of Chinthong Ronghang High School.
Launching ceremony of Chief Minister's Institutional Plantation Program along Pachatondunsi, Karbi Anglong District of Harman, Arboretum cum Craft Center, Dipolong, Kedamtang Jakong Nipai, Krenar Kebarni, Adapor Pai, Kepen, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Dr. Tuliram Longhang, Jalin Ponsi, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, MEC Kidoana Tumpen, Theng Piarong Aklim Ke, Kepang Chengdun. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Kedamtang Jakong Nipai Krenar Kep Arni Dispur Secretariat Sai Hemalong Theng Piarong Ke Pangcheng Ponpen School College University Lapen Sorkar Sai Hem Kido Analong Non Ke Wangji Pai Pai Chiklo Nipai Krep Hoarnian Theng Pi Ke Pachetang Et Nangjipu Akemangdo Laso Tengsi Ladak Karbi Anglong District Along Tame Jakong Nipai Krenar Kep Arni Pen Theng Pia Klimso Ke Pangcheng Dunlo Karbi Anglong Forest along le Kido Analong Sitame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Akhipen Lak isi Theng Pia Klimso ke Eaphan Chisik Tanglo Lapen Forest along lepen Kaprek along ta Theng Piarong Aklim ke Eaphan Chisik Pontupo Theng Pia Klimso ke Eaphan ka Chisik lake Kaike Clearship at Theng Piarong si Esom Ponpo Lason si Chandan Agor Bogul Devdaru Theng Pi Hai Hai Henlo Labang so ajay mek kepadopon lake Theng Pi Theng Prang Jumpik Tanglo Asojok botor bokan kacelar tepik lasi puthot Theng Pia Klim ke som thupen mesena tomon clearship Abirta pacheman thunang popu akemang pen labang so ajay mek kepadopon lake Theng Pi Theng Prang Jumpik Tanglo Lasojok botor bokan kacelar tepik lasi puthot Theng Pia Klim ke som pon thupen mesena tomon clearsing Abirta pacheman thunang popu akemang lapen labang so ajay mek Charlie Hem lapen sorkar sa hem angkang kido analong Theng Pia Klim ke aphan ningkan thoma kemang pon along forest sai khiat tumaphan kilang chari arpu pipon Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lason mesena jai mek kedeng thekapot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council abutung pen sitame chorolo pusi Theng Pi ke amai long pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Longhang ningkang sam chipaklang
Chief Minister যোৱাকালি স্পৰ্টছ কেটেগৰী কমপ্লেক্সৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা হৈছে আমি ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট হিচাপে আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আজি আমি ইয়াত আৰম্ভ কৰা হৈছে চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ ইনষ্টিটিউচনেল প্লেণ্টেশ্যন প্ৰগ্ৰাম অহা আগষ্ট 15 তাৰিখলৈকে শেষ কৰিব লাগিব প্ৰত্যেক অফিচত গছ ৰুব লাগিব প্ৰত্যেক এডুকেশ্যনেল ইনষ্টিটিউচনত সেইটো আমি গছ ৰোৱা এটা কাৰ্যসূচী লোৱা হৈছে আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙত ফৰেষ্টৰ মাটি যিবিলাক তাতে আমি এবাৰ টাৰ্গেট কৰিছোঁ 1 লাখ গছ ৰোৱা আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিল নিজৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি ৰোৱা সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ গছপুলি ইয়াত যিবিলাকৰ গছপুলি এভাৰগ্ৰীণ গছবোৰ চন্দন থাকিব আগৰ থাকিব এনেধৰণৰ এভাৰগ্ৰীণ গছবিলাকৰ ইয়াত থাকিব আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ লগাই 1 লাখ পুলিটো আছে তাৰ বাহিৰেও যিবিলাকৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ কেম্পাছত আৰু এডুকেশ্যনৰ কেম্পাছত
Bangso Theng Pia Klim ke amai long Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Raju Tiso, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MECs, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Mukul Saikia, PCCF Bipin Kumar Bandal, DFO East Division Jugannath Rongpi, Lapen Forest Saikia Tum Chetongdun. News Report Longsudar Engti Karbi Anglong Live. Kedamtang jakong achiklo ni phai krenar kep arni pendet piangkang ke ongdang hormu hortar anam kapar lupon along GST ahin pensitame puthot kepar lupon thu Prime Minister Narendra Modi kachari BJP sarkar apha nangli ko anlo ningka chethe dampo BJP songja tu rong robalong kebang rajchari amai long vote epaga pharman rongso rong bodalong anang kahumre hut koson alam lo nang ke thantekang Nangli tumang bong pen ke ongdung akorte la pen injir non puta nindu iklang tahai. Athe Bharatiya Janata Party atum ke kiduk ke lak ke boydet arada phan kangthura song. Labang solam karjulong pen ko an loning cheparong. Bonta labang solam ko an ahok ma abangki kidamtang jakong ni phai frenar ke pen amasi ang theklang. Ke ongdung hormu hortar anam ki so pen rat ke nam ke pangcheng pon thunang lake piniar ni pen hello. Mudia sarkar pen kedeng pontu Abirta tengke packaging mate ke bor pen nangkasalona hormua sondo an phan pho anam GST pe bat ponlo ke ongdunga son GST ke pathik pontu atengke phan pho pen phan krehini an parta phan krenar ke an kapar lupon lo packaging pen kapale ason ata sang kijunalang doi muri lassi pijualang soyabin motor noklang hahui ason GST anam pathik tanglo la ana son chot kalisi LED light lem hahui ason anta anam ki so pen si iritum chunam nanglo Sika suri isi pen athak anam ke pathik pon tang hotel aphanta good and service takes along anam pathik pon lo lanchot kali buttermilk package blade KC pencil sharpener solar water heater anparta tinalang pongpen ke thap alang okhai hui anta GST sonse adlo bengalong pen checkbook jongsi nangli ki humji pulote anama phrang ko anma nangli ki pinang hala sopena bat atangka si non puthot nangli pinang po checkbook a pharman phan trainer kep GST parlo pono karbiang long life pen kapache tak pon lahai hui a hormu hortar anam ki sopen nangli ka chu nam nang lake jakhonga chiklo ni phai trainer kep pen hello bangso puthak GST council a hin pen deng pon tanglo bangso teng pen jongsi langdam lo pulote ke boide dada phan kangthur ponvek ji alam chaka teng pen kali binong lo National Desk Report Karbi Anglong Live Pini Adap Abirta bangke lapan si kangton iglo dumi thakmi kardom